In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Deleting your Weebly account can feel like a big step, especially if you've invested time and effort into building a website. However, sometimes it's necessary to move on or switch platforms. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account. You can do this by visiting the Weebly website and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Weebly dashboard, where you can see all your sites. Before we dive into account deletion, take a moment to ensure that you have backed up any content or data you want to keep. This is important because once you delete your account, all your sites and data associated with that account will be permanently erased, and there's no way to recover them. Once you're certain that you have everything saved, look in the bottom left-hand corner of your dashboard. You should see your account settings represented by a little gear icon. Click on that icon to open your account settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Account. It might be located towards the bottom of the list, so make sure to watch for it. Now, before you can delete your account, Weebly will typically ask you to confirm your decision, making sure you understand the implications of deleting your account. This step is critical because it protects your data from accidental deletions. When you're ready, click on the Delete Account option. A pop-up will appear, usually asking for your confirmation, and may require you to enter your password again for security reasons. Go ahead and fill that in. You might also see a brief survey asking why you're leaving. This feedback helps Weebly improve their services, but it's completely optional. You can choose to skip that if you'd like. After confirming your decision, click on the Final Delete button. At this point, your account is on the way to being deleted. You should see a notification that lets you know the process is underway. Just a heads up, it may take a few moments for everything to officially clear out from their system. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Weebly account. Again, it's always a bit nerve-wracking to let go of something you've created, but remember that you can always start fresh if you choose to try again in the future on a different platform. If you have any